Moving on now, it's the 5-day police remand of the YouTube vlogger Jyoti Malhotra that ends today. The Haryana-based vlogger who was arrested on the charges of spying for Pakistan will be produced in Hisar court later, and it is to be seen whether the police will seek a further remand of Jyoti Malhotra. Now, the Hisar police yesterday issued a statement saying that some central agencies are questioning the accused from time to time, but the custody of the accused has not been handed over to any of these agencies. She still stays under the custody of the police there. When it comes to the electronic devices, including her phones and laptop, that was seized by the police, have been sent out for the forensic lab for investigation. And the statement added that the accused 4 bank accounts were also being thoroughly analyzed. While the police say that Jyoti was in contact with Pakistan intel operatives, however, there is yet any evidence that is said to be emerging from Jyoti having any direct access to any military, defense or strategic information. Jyoti's father, meanwhile, has defended his daughter rather, demanding legal aid for her, and he says that his daughter was trapped by the Pakistan ISI.
मेरे को अच्छा वकील चाहिए जी। मैं हाथ जोड़ के कहता हूँ, मैं तो गरीब आदमी हूँ, मेरे पास तो इतने कमाने के पैसे नहीं है। मेरे को सरकारी वकील चाहिए। मेरी तो हिम्मत नहीं है। मैं तो आप बीमार हो गया 5 दिन से। मेरी हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं कोर्ट तक पहुंच सकूं।
ऐसा ज्योति अपनी जो सोशल मीडिया को और बढ़ाने के लिए इस टाइप के लोगों के संपर्क में आ जाएगी।
फंस गई बेचारी, फंस गई जी, फंसा दिया उन्होंने। ये ऐसी लड़की नहीं थी, उनके चुंगल में फंस गई। मेरी बेटी ऐसी नहीं है जो गलत काम करे। नहीं, उसकी शादी नहीं हुई जी, ये वैसे ही बकवास कर रहे हैं।
Well, as far as the father there is concerned, he says that he is worried for his daughter, as he wasn't in the know exactly what she was up to. As far as her YouTube, her vlogging channel, her trips to different countries, including to Pakistan and China, he says that he wasn't aware. And who was funding these trips, who exactly Jyoti was in touch with, especially when it comes to the Pakistan High Commission, well, that is something that is being investigated by the police and by the other central agencies as well, because Jyoti isn't the one. There are multiple other individuals on similar charges that have been arrested and are being questioned. Now, one of the videos of the arrested Haryana YouTuber Jyoti Malhotra also, when it comes to Underscanner, as per sources, Jyoti's travel videos to non-tourist destinations are also being viewed with suspicion. Last year, Jyoti had posted videos of her visit to restricted India-Pakistan border areas in Rajasthan. She traveled from Barmer to Munabao, where she is learned to have filmed a 24-minute video on the 1st of January 2024. Now, this video reportedly revealed strategic locations, including the sensitive Munabao railway station. And in this video, Jyoti is heard asking passengers questions about Pakistan. She spent multiple nights in the rural settlements and the Thar Desert near the border, allegedly conducting reconnaissance without permission. Now, news seems to be touting around the YouTuber, with the police also of multiple states now joining in the investigation. Times Now is learning that a 5-member SIT of Ujjain police has also been sent to Haryana's Hisar to interrogate Jyoti Malhotra. The SIT will focus on Jyoti's intention behind her travel to Ujjain and also will seek to know the identity of the person that she was in touch. Apart from Jyoti, other YouTubers are also under scanner, with the content being monitored. And Times Now has learned that a notice will also be sent to a batch of YouTubers. The content creators who especially visited Pakistan along with Jyoti are also under scanner. Now, in a crucial development, a second Pakistan High Commission official has been declared as persona non grata by India, as the statement that was released last evening, as this Pakistani official has been asked to leave the country within 24 hours, citing his activities in India, which were found to be not keeping up with his official status. Now, this follows what happened to another Pakistani High Commission official, Danish, just few days earlier, who had also alleged links with Jyoti and multiple other Indian citizens as well, who have now been suspected of spying for Pakistan. Let's get in a word from Pavit, who is joining us live right now. Pavit, the remand ends today. What would be the focus as far as the police here is concerned? Because it is not just the one state police that we are looking at. Multiple other agencies and police services of other states are also looking to question Jyoti, including when it comes to the central investigative agencies as well.
Yes, see, right now, if we look into this particularly Jyoti Malhotra case, so there are many more revelations which are going on. Because not only Jyoti Malhotra, we are well aware the development that are taking place today. She will be produced in front of the court, and it is being expected that the remand will increase, because there are so many revelations that are taking place IB is continuously asking her, Hisar police is continuously asking her, NIA is continuously asking her the questions, and we are also expecting that the Ujjain police will be taking her for the questioning. And so it is being expected that today the remand will extend. But here, what the catch is that not only Jyoti Malhotra right now, but other YouTubers are also under scanners after the CM Naib Saini's directions. SOPs are being created for YouTubers in Haryana because there are so many YouTubers who are coming under scanner from Haryana, and particularly if I talk about Punjab as well. So right now also the YouTubers channels who have a traveling history
Yes.
to Pakistan or whatever it is being found in their phones, anything linked to promoting Pakistan or anything, whatever is being found suspicious, it is under scanner right now. And there are so many YouTubers right now who are being called for continuous questioning because they were seen. If I particularly talk about a YouTuber from Ropar, he was, his name is Mahal, he was also called for questioning by SSOC.
So
for
multiple
3 days.
locations that Jyoti did visit, of course, when it comes to the source of income, who was actually organizing those visits and what was the purpose of those visits? And when it comes to other YouTuber or vloggers that were also seen with her in photos and in videos are also said to be also questioned. What has now been said as Pavit continues to be with us?
Yeah, good morning. The police remand of Jyoti Malhotra is going to end today. Yesterday around 11:35 she was produced before she was taken for her medical legal certificate at the civil hospital. But certainly the State Police of Haryana at around 5:45 has given a fresh press statement because they were also trying to tackle on the social media propaganda which was claiming that Jyoti Malhotra got married to the Pakistani handler and she was also mother of the child of the Pakistani handler. These two facts have been corrected by the state administration, but what they have been saying that during the course of investigation they have not found any kind of defense-related establishment document from her. This is what Times Now has also been talking about. But they have also stated that she was in touch with the Pakistani handler, which led to arrest of Jyoti Malhotra. Today is going to be a very important day when she will be produced before the court, and it's going to be seen that whether the police official will be taking further police remand of the accused or not. The police has also mentioned that a joint team of multiple agencies has cautioned her. We know that the Madhya Pradesh police as well as the Rajasthan police will be coming here to this location in Hisar, and they will also try to question regarding her movement in the bordering areas of Rajasthan as well as during her visit to Mahakal in Indore. So these are the two important factors which will be certainly ascertaining that whether the police official from Hisar police will be trying to seek her further police remand or not. What we can sense after looking at the details press statement by the police, which has pointed out all these factors, that the police is basically trying to bank on the electronic data which is yet to be retrieved from her electronic gadgets, 2 mobile phones and a laptop.
All right, remains to be seen if the police there seeks extended custody of Jyoti Malhotra, who was arrested on charges of spying for Pakistan and is expected to be produced in Hisar court later today. Priyank and Pavit, for the moment, thank you very much for joining.